Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make and edit in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically all you will be needing to do now is just to open your Filmora and create a new project, and of course you choose the type of screen or the aspect ratio. So if you want to do like mobile content like TikTok or YouTube Shorts or whatever, you will need just to choose 9 on 10. Otherwise, for widescreen, which means like laptops, etc., and computers, you will need just to use this aspect ratio. So I'm just going to choose this project, and now basically we'll be needing like just to add your footage. So you can simply drag and drop from your computer to Filmora. So you can just bring a video, drag it down here, or you can simply click on import, and I'm just going to click on this one, and I'm going to open this one. So basically here, I'm just going to add this video. I'm just going to keep the project setting. So as you can see, this is the aspect ratio for mobile device. And simply to start editing, you will be able to do uh, all the different features that you would need. So basically you can start clipping from video. So basically we can start clipping, and basically you can separate the video. You can make each one in a timeline, and basically you can uh, have whatever you like. So let's just have our timeline like this, and basically you can add text if you'd like. You can like change some videos. You can add filters to a video. So for example, you can add a filter and it will apply to it, so you can just drag and drop. You can add text from here. So basically here you will find the text. You can add text to your videos. Also you can add them in the timeline, and you can see the video that will be like showing within the timeline like this, and do whatever you like. So basically this is how you can start editing using Filmora. Thank you for watching and see you next time.